Let's explore SwiftUI. Today I am going to develop an application using SwiftUI. This application is going to show how to display a list. Showing data in a list is a very basic part of iOS development, and it was the very first tutorial that I learned when I was a fresher in iOS development field. So let's start with that. Going to Xcode, creating a new project, app. Make sure that you have selected SwiftUI here. Let's name it list A. Next. Let's study the entire architecture of the project. Previously we used to have an app delegate file that used to have an app delegate and main method. Now they have moved that thing to here. So this is how the main method is invoked. It starts an instance of scene. Scene has window group, and window group has the content view. The content view is our root view controller that shows the very first screen that is going to be shown when the application starts. When we click on resume, it shows us the preview of the code that we have written here. Okay, it's quite similar to the Swift playground where we can see the output of our logic. Here we can see the design. Removing padding, we don't need it. Let's follow the approach of table view manner. In table view time, we used to create a cell and then we used to repeat that cell for the number of rows. In contrast to storyboard or XIB manner, where we used to specify frame and width height for each and every controls, here we don't have that provision, I think. In SwiftUI, we encapsulate the controls inside horizontal and vertical stacks. What we will do, we will have to place two labels in vertically stacked manner. So I am going to embed this text. A command click. Embed in a V stack because we want to arrange two labels in vertical manner. We would like to show these two labels in left alignment. So let's align this vertical stack into left alignment. That's it. Now we want to show an image beside this title and description. So we will embed this thing inside a horizontal stack because image should be in left side or right hand side. We want to keep it at left side, so let's make an edge stack. Here we are going to show image with system name, can be play. Play icon is a common and it is provided by Xcode itself, so you don't need to import any extra image. As we want this UI to occupy the entire screen width of the device, we will add spacer here. So spacer. We would like to leave some gap between these two things. So good. So this is our table view cell. As we want to repeat this thing, I'm going to place this entire logic inside a view. We have context cell. We want to repeat that cell here in a list. So list context cell. Here list is actually containing multiple rows, right? Multiple repeatable contents of the cell. So we can show them like this. If we have multiple cells, they can be copied and pasted like this. Let's run our code to see the preview. If you see here, that's a scrollable list. We can say it's behaving same as a table view. You can select something, but yeah, right now we haven't written anything for selection, so it doesn't show anything related with that.